Welcome to MGM. We have this 2015 Cadillac Escalade Luxury All-Wheel Drive Edition for sale here. This particular Cadillac has only 2 previous owners. This sold brand new in North Carolina. This one has a 6.2 liter V8 engine, a little bit over 201,000 miles. You will never tell that it has that many miles. It was driven highway for a very, very long time with the last 2 owners. They piled on the miles, but you'll never tell. The quality, the condition, and look at the price on this thing. It's very, very affordable now. We have documented service records. It runs and drives great, guys. Talk to your sales rep in regards to warranty packages if they're available. I'm not 100% sure, but your sales rep would know that. Let's move forward. As you can see, the body and paint on it are very, very nice. I'm going to move in closer to show you guys everything. Wheels are in great shape. There's no clear coat peeling off the car. I mean, it is in very nice condition. And I believe this thing was always garage kept. And I say that because of the condition of the SUV. Beautiful paint, nice reflection. Look at that view. Super cool. Let's check out the beautiful interior. Look how clean this thing is. The Bose stereo system. Power seats. Luxury up to wazoo, guys. Got buckets in the back. Got 3rd row. Super clean. Your storage in here. This is for your back seats. It's all power. All of them function like they should. You will be impressed. I am. I took pictures of everything in there. Okay. Very clean in here. Very well maintained as well. Let's fire it up. So before we go for a test drive, we are a Carfax Advantage dealer, okay, here in Addison, Illinois. This Cadillac 2015 Luxury Edition has a damage reported on the Carfax. And I'm going to talk to you about that because it's very minor. We got 8 service records, 2 previous owners. This was a personal vehicle, not a lease, not a rental. Let's get to the important part here. As you can see, it says damage reported minor in 2020 of January. And it was here in the front. Now keep in mind that this here was not with another motor vehicle. This was very minor, no airbag deploy, and it was basically a scratch on the front end and with a shopping cart, so from what I was told, and they just repainted it. So nothing damaged on it. So no issues reported throughout its years, really. The warranty expired back in the day. First owner, let's see here. Year purchase 2015 for the first owner, personal, and the second owner in 2018 as personal as well. As you can see, second owner kept the car for quite some time, and what that means for us as a dealer on buying quality cars is that it hasn't exchanged hands a lot. It's only 2 owners in all these years. That's why we inquired it. But the thing sold new here at Charles Boyd Chevrolet in Henderson, North Carolina. They did some of the inspection service on it as well. It passed always the safety inspection. First owner reported here in 2015. The lien was recorded. The inspection was done in Virginia. Let's move forward here. And here's the second owner, where second owner was reported, and they did a little service work here. So really nothing major. So here's that minor damage to the front. So it was not with another vehicle. So really there's nothing to be concerned about there, and that's why we inquired it. Okay. And moving forward, they had their alignment, the tires checked in 22, the brakes, the emissions was performed, oil changes were constant on it, as you can see there. Moving forward, and that is the end. I will be giving you guys a copy of the Carfax report as well. Okay, and now we'll go for a nice test drive. Okay, so you got 2 sets of keys for it. Fires right up. I'm so used to with classic cars using those words, but starts right up. All right. No issues, no current dash lights. That's another reason why we inquired the vehicle. Beautiful buttons on the inside for your power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power everything. Auto setup for the lights, auto setup for your 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive. You got your cruise control, all your touch here knobs for all your configurations for your dash. Nice steering wheel. That's for hauling. If you're going to haul anything, you will have to, put a tow hitch on this one. Beautiful setup, as the Cadillacs always come with the CD player. Nice dash, nice A-pillars. You got the overhead console here. Everything functions with the sunroof. And your cup holders. Okay, this is to charge your phone and everything in here. as well to charge your phone in there as well. All right, let's go. I want to thank you guys for spending your time with me. If you're watching the video up to this point, and you're a pretty serious buyer. All right, let me say abracadabra and get this to open. All right, so we are gonna carry Escalades in our fleet here at MGM. I love these SUVs. The wife and I just bought a new one. We love it. They're great products, very luxurious, and now the pricing on these things have dropped. Really affordable. So to the right here, we have a full service department. We do service all of our vehicles and a detail shop. These cars to my right that's coming up here are some of the vehicles that are upcoming, sold, or need some work before we put them out to the general public. We like to go through the cars, know the cars, remember the cars, and tell you all about them. This particular Cadillac, I just noticed, has a heads-up display as well. This thing is quiet, it's nice, it's smooth. So this building to the right here is MGM Classic Cars. Everything functions in this Escalade as it should. Buy with confidence, guys. We are 100% feedback on eBay. We have over 500 5-star Google reviews. Really, the only upgrade that you can do to this thing, I mean, you can do a assortment of things, but in my opinion, if you wanted to tint the windows, we can do that. You can ask your sales rep for a quote. We can change the wheel and tire package if you want something a little bit more stylish. I love the stock wheels, but if you wanted a wheel and tire package, we can get that done for you as well, or just change out the rims if you want the same size. It's up to you, whatever you like to do. This thing is very smooth going down the road. It's a pleasure to drive. Brakes feel great. Transmission shifts great. It sounds great too. Wow, everything's really nice. Like I said, you will never know. This thing looks like it's got 50,000 miles on it, and maybe better. All right, well, that's 65 miles an hour. Yeah, I am a little nuts. That's my license plate rattling a little bit there. I'll take it down. Pickup is awesome on the 6.2 liter. These engines are great reputation. The LS. So MGM Classic Cars is located at 150 South Church Street in Addison, Illinois. I've been doing this for over 20, well, this is my 26th year right now. If you want to come and fly into Chicago O'Hare Airport, we're only 20 minutes from there. Hop in an Uber, come on by, pay us, or take it for a test drive first, because I know you're going to pay us after you drive it. Write the check and drive it back home. Maybe a road trip. Great idea. If not, we offer delivery. You would have to call or text to our number, and we'll get you a delivery quote. You would have to supply your zip code. So we're gonna head back to the dealership now, where we have over 200 vehicles for sale. And you guys can check all those out at mgmclassiccars.com. mgmcar.com. Great financing, guys. Rates start at about 6.49%. It's all based off your credit. You must have good credit. You will need minimum 10% down to finance the vehicle. And you can talk to your sales rep about that as well. Okay. I'm going to pull back into the main showroom. We have two showrooms here. This is our main one. And if you have any questions, please call or text the dealership at 847-848-1850. My name is Thomas. Thank you for watching MGM.